Hi, this exercise was inspired by a couple of clients. I just want to share it with you. They struggle with knee issues because they play tennis a lot, and there's a whole lot of sort of like switching the weight back and forth in the knee. So I have a little exercise for you to keep your knees nice and strong. Well, the muscles that support the knees strong and keep the pain out of your knees. So we're going to come into this chair pose. Just bring the arms out in front of the chest. So lift your heart up toward the ceiling and reach your bum back. And then bring your lips to a closed position and just breathe through your nose. And then feel your quads. They're going to turn on a lot. Now, when you come back, you're going to reach this leg back. So I want you to double check the alignment of your knee. Your knee either needs to go over the toes or slightly to the right if you've got your right knee forward. Just put your hands on your hips. We're going to take the knee a little bit in and out, right, left. So we're gently moving into the ligaments to the right, into the left and the knee. And then you want to think about your quads. So most of the time we have our force kind of going down into the knee. You might even be able to see that. But instead, I want you to engage the upper part of your quad and pull it in towards your hip socket a little bit. All right, this is going to turn on your glutes, right? So your glutes are going to help support you here. Good. All right, let's put the arms out and then step forward into your chair pose. Keep breathing slow and smooth. Let's do the other side. Reach that leg back. Without momentum, come into that standing lunge. Check the knee alignment and then start to gently move right and left. So your knees kind of go in like out and in and out and in. And then most of the time we're going to hold this position. So you want the knee a little bit more out than in right here. Hold and breathe. Reach the arms out, pull the foot in, and then come up to standing. I'm going to grab a couple of blocks for this next one, and if you don't have yoga blocks at home, just get something that's going to help you stabilize. So I'm going to put them here at the front of the mat. And come back into this chair pose position. And breathe. All right, shift all your weight onto your right foot. We're going to keep the knee bent and bring your left leg back. And just reach down. So there's not a lot of weight here on the blocks, but you might want to touch your fingertips down. Just for balance. Double check your knee. Sometimes the knee is kind of rolling in. Just take that knee out. And then when you come out of this, pull the upper thigh bone up towards the hip socket. Lift all the way up to standing. Good. And then repeat that on the other side. Go back to the right, go back to the left, maybe do that about 3 times each. And inevitably the legs will get so strong and your thigh will start to train to pull itself up towards your hip socket rather than push down into the knee. That is a little tip, a little exercise to keep your knees happy and healthy so that you can do the things that you love the most without worrying about pain. All right, thanks for tuning in, and I will see you next time.